The Russell frame is a surgical assist device that can be put together quickly and easily on the back table before surgery starts. What you'll notice about the base frame is that it's marked on one end with Innovision. This side is actually the foot and ankle side, where the other side is where the thigh support goes. And they're different in that the pivot locks go on the outside for the thigh side and are on the inside for the ankle and foot side. The pivot locks themselves are marked with either I or O, indicating that they're either the inside for this side or O for the outside. The thumb screws always screw in from the outside. I recommend that you start with the pivot locks in a neutral straight up and down or 90-degree angle. The outside pivot locks are marked with an O for outside, and again the thumb screw is screwed in from the outside, again starting with the pivot lock at a neutral or 90-degree angle. Next, the goalposts are put into position, and on each end of the goalpost is a little nipple that holds the goalpost in place. Typically, we place the longer goalpost on the thigh side. It's placed in the pivot lock and then turned 90 degrees, which locks it in place. The shorter goalposts, or the medium-sized goalposts, are then placed likewise on the ankle side. Typically, we place the solid support bar on the femoral side. I suggest that you go ahead and place it in the second hole from the bottom. We call this the number 2 position, so this would be the 2-2 position. Next, the multi-hole bar is placed on the ankle side and can either be placed in that orientation or in that orientation. Depending on what kind of procedure you'll use, depends on which orientation that you use. I recommend that you begin with the multi-holes facing up. I recommend that you start with this in the 2-2 position. This will be your standard setup for the back table for the Russell frame.